For this problem, we need to identify the conic and then provide some information about that conic. We have x plus 1 quantity squared divided by 4 minus y squared over 9, and that equals 1. If we rewrite this as x minus negative 1 quantity squared divided by 2 squared minus y minus 0 quantity squared over 3 squared is equal to 1, we'll see that we have the form of a hyperbola. In this form, we'll get that h is equal to negative 1, k is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, and b is equal to 3. If we know a and b, we can find c. So we have c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. This will give us that c is equal to the square root of 13. And for our hyperbola then, we'll have that the center will be at negative 1, 0. The transverse axis will be the x-axis. Our vertices are going to be at negative 1 plus or minus 2, comma 0. So that will give us negative 3, comma 0, and 1, comma 0. The foci are going to be at negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 13, that's our c value, comma 0. And that will give us negative 1 minus the square root of 13, comma 0. And negative 1 plus the square root of 13, comma 0. And then last, we would like to list our asymptotes. Our asymptotes are going to be y equal to negative 3 halves times x plus 1, and y is equal to 3 halves times x plus 1. So our conic's a hyperbola, and here's the center, the vertices, the foci, and the asymptotes.